Since we've made so many paper craft videos, we decided to take a break and instead make a food video. We made a quesadilla video a while back, so why not make some guac to go with them? This recipe is so easy that we, as kids, have made it ourselves multiple times. We hope you enjoy!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to our channel.
To make the guac, we used avocados. We used 3. An onion. Depending on how spicy the onion is and the amount of spice you want in the guac, you can change the amount. We used about 1 cup of diced onion. Limes. You can use lime or lemon for this. A few chilies. Salt. Cilantro. This is optional, but in our opinion, it makes the guac taste better. A mortar and pestle. This is for grinding the chilies. More on that later. A bowl, a knife, and a cutting board. So we started by taking our avocados and cutting them in half. Once we got the 2 halves, we used the tip of our knife to remove the brown parts on the inside, because those parts are spoiled and they don't taste as good. After that, we took a spoon and scraped out the insides of the avocado into the bowl. We repeated this step for the rest of our avocados. We removed the seeds from the avocados like this. Then, using a spoon and a fork, we began mashing the avocados. We're sure there's a better way to do this, but we preferred this way because it's fun to do. Once we decided we had stabbed the avocados enough, we took our lime and squeezed the juice into the bowl. Then we mixed it all together. For 1 avocado, we prefer half a lime. Since we used 3 avocados, we used 1.5 lime. But that does get pretty tangy, so if you prefer less, that's okay too. After that, we poured about 1 cup of diced onions into the bowl and mixed that in as well. Then, we took 3 chilies, 1 per avocado, and mashed them into a paste. That way, you'll still be able to feel the heat of the chilies, but it won't taste spicy. Once we had finished, we added the chili paste to the guac. And finally, we're adding the cilantro. Using a knife, and always remember to have adult supervision when working with sharp objects, we chopped the cilantro into small pieces and mixed it into the guac. And there you go, delicious homemade guacamole for you and the entire family. We hope you like this recipe for guac, and we'll see you again next time.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!